Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie and as usual you're on my channel Home Gardening. Today I came to you with another useful video, so I hope you enjoy and don't forget to subscribe to give this video a thumb up. If you are interested, please keep watching. Kalanchoe plants are thick-leaved succulents that are often seen in florist shops or garden centers. Most end up as potted plants, but areas that can mimic their native land of Madagascar can grow them outdoors. The clusters of tiny flowers produce a large bloom held aloft on stems above the majority of the foliage. If you wish a second bloom, it is important to know how to take care of a Kalanchoe. Kalanchoe is an African native that has become a common house guest in North America homes. These plants require low light conditions to force budding. Ideally, the plant should experience 14 hours of lightless conditions to promote budding and bloom. Getting Kalanchoe to bloom again requires a rest period for the plant, correct lighting, and some good fertilizer to fuel the process. A few tips on how to make a Kalanchoe Rebloom will ensure success and a beautiful flowering houseplant in winter. Usually, the plant is in full bloom at a purchase and produces a constant parade of flowers for weeks or even months. When does Kalanchoe bloom naturally? In its native region, Kalanchoe can bloom almost all year round, but as a container houseplant, it is most commonly blooming in late winter to late spring. This cycle will slow down as lightning increases. Getting a Kalanchoe to bloom again requires a rest of period for the plant and then tricking it into thinking it is a different time of year. Exposure to lower light levels during fall and winter will generally encourage the plant to bloom. A hibernation or rest period is necessary for the plant to amass energy for blooming and growth when the conditions are favorable. Keeping the plant in no light for this period will awaken the plant from its winter slumber and cause flower production. Failing to provide a rest period is often the reason getting Kalanchoe to bloom again may be unsuccessful. After the flowers on your plant begin to fade and die, cut them back and remove the spent blooms. This prevents the plant from directing energy to trying to sustain a part that is already spent. During the summer, keep the plant in well-drained soil in a sunny location and maintain a moderate moisture level. When fall arrives, cut back on the water and move the plant indoors. The plant will experience low light conditions from fall to late winter, which normally causes flowers to form. Fertilize with a 0-10-10 in late winter or just as the first buds are forming. This will promote better and more Kalanchoe flowers and enhance plant health and vigor. Keep the plant warm and away from drafts. Do not water or feed the plant for 6 weeks as it is dormant. As soon as you see flowers buds, move the plant to brighter lighting and resume watering. Feed the plant in spring and remove spent flowers to encourage new buds. These plants are easy to grow and provide up to 6 months of beautiful little flowers and thick, attractive, scalloped leaves. So I hope this video was helpful, maybe interested, maybe colorful for you. Please subscribe. Please give this video a thumb up. See you in my next video very soon. Happy gardening. Bye.